Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's see. Let's continue drawing some interesting polygons. Okay, last time, the lesson 29, drawing polygons. So we started to draw some polygons in the same position, and then found out that using the same parameter, the shape becomes bigger and bigger as the number of vertices increase. So our idea was to use smaller side length, which is proportionate to the number of vertices. So using that policy, we made way to do that, and then checked to draw those to those polygons in a grid. So homework, write the number of sides as polygon n besides the shape. Okay, let's go back to the code and do it. So again, open E3, connect, and do the pip, the first cell. And then remember that we defined some, okay, here is the first polygon function, which has number of sides n and sides of each side length as the second. Side. Okay, side length is the sides and number of vertices is side n. Okay, and then it was like this. And then this is what we drew last time. So maybe we can reuse this code. Maybe we can decrease this to 120. X should be 120 instead of 50. And also the Y increment can be 120. Okay, so then the assignment was write some text like this. So maybe here, how about here? So let's see. Polygon function has, we need to run it. Polygon function has pen up. So let's see. Mike. Okay, so let's copy and maybe paste it here. Paste it here. Okay. And then after calling polygon, again, to write something, we need to pen down, write, okay, what it should be like F string here. Okay, like, so J, no. So it should be, okay, that's interesting. N should be, okay, we have N here. Okay, so just N is good. N, polygon N. Is this polygon N besides the shape? So let's try this and see how this works. Okay, so single quote, polygon, curly bracket, and curly bracket, single quote. Okay, let's see how. And then we need to pen up after, right? Okay, let's try this and see what we have. Polygon 3, polygon 4, polygon 5, polygon 6, polygon 7, polygon 8, polygon 9, polygon 10, polygon 11, 12, 13. Okay, anyway, we could do it. Maybe lastly, move to 5 and 5 so that we can read this one. Or maybe, maybe this is good enough. Okay, let's move on to today's work. So from polygons to a circle, increase the size of polygon. What do we find? So what did we find? up to polygon 14, it was still a polygon, but let's see. Let's change this to, say, let's start from 11 and see what we will get. Start from 11 and run it again. So start polygon 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's getting slower. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. What do you see? It's almost circle. Maybe 25 is pretty good enough. You can check that if you want. But so today's okay. Let's try up to. So let's start from 15, and in the meantime, let's go to the slide. So maybe if we use number polygon 25, that's very close to a circle. So how to draw a quasi-circle of radius 100? So maybe we can try this. Okay. So 25, 26 is enough. So let's use 26. So let's copy everything. Okay, let's copy from here to there. And see again how to draw a quasi-circle of radius 100. So maybe we can try as polygon. Yeah, right. What we needed to calculate was if we want to draw a circle of radius 100, what will be the number here? Maybe we found out. So it's like polygon 25. Okay. And here comes 2 times 3.14 times r. Okay, let's define r here as r equals what we want was 100. Okay, and then divide it by, let's see, 26. So this should be good enough to draw a circle of radius 100. Good. So what do we find? Where is its center? So let's see where the center is. To do that, maybe we can write the t, right, to find out again where we are now. So where we are, the post. Remember, we can write the coordinate using this. So what we have is 420 to 250. So what's wrong? So we started to draw, we wanted to draw a circle. And here is 400 to 50. And then it seems R is 100. Okay? So it's like this. Sorry for strange. So this, what is the coordinate of this center position? It should be 300 to 50, right? Should be like that because this is 400. So X coordinate of the center should be 300. And this point should be 200. Okay? Let's check that. Draw a circle of radius 100 with the center at 400, 400, and 200. So in that case, maybe we need to start from, say, 500 and 200. Let's try that. So, okay. So maybe we go to, yeah, we want to draw cool. at its center with center at what we want, 400, 200. Okay, in that case, maybe we need to go to 500 and 200 and do the same thing. Okay, maybe we copy this. We don't need this because it, okay, and then, okay. To make sure, maybe we need to go to 400 and 200 and then write the position. So that, right. So this is the center, 400 and 200. Good. So define a function to draw a circle named P circle, polygon circle, from at its center X, center Y, radius R, and optional argument of N. Can you do it? Okay, it's an interesting task. So let's try that. So maybe what we need to do is, okay, let's try to define a function. So in that case, define P circle X, Y, R, and N. And actually, this is a way to draw a circle. You define an optional argument, N, which means if it is given, it will be used. When it is skipped, 26 will be used. Okay. So let's see. So it's like T. Maybe we need to pen up to make sure. And then go to X and Y. That's right. X plus R plus dot Y and polygon do the same thing. Okay. Say the same thing as last time. Okay. So first argument should be N. And the second argument should be like this. And this should be N. Okay. And this should be R. Okay, N. And then pen up. No. We have pen up and pen down in the polygon. So this should work. Let's try to define this as this and use it to do the same thing as this. Okay. Draw a circle with center 400 and 200. So let's try that. So instead, we use initialization. We copy initialization and write it. And then maybe initialization here. So either way. And then it should be P circle 400, 200, R, and that's all. No N argument because by default 26 will be used. Okay, let's do it. And then yeah, okay, let's do it. Seems fine. It's working. Okay, good. So this is a new function, P circle, to do that work. Center at XY, radius R, optional argument N. Okay, so draw concentric circles. Do you know what concentric circle is? It's like this. Okay, try it yourself. stop the video, okay? Say at its center at 400, 200. Okay, let's do that. So here again, maybe we can use 4 I in range. Let's try 5 times. And initialization before the loop, and call this one. And then R should, let's start with 50. And initial R with 20. Okay, let's try this. Actually, this doesn't work. You know what's wrong with this? Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, oh, it's working. 3, 4. Good. 5, it's working. Concentric circles. Maybe we should start from 20 and do it 8 times. This seems fine. Okay, very good. So now, without using any circle function, we could define a p-circle function and draw like this. Beautiful. Good. Are you satisfied? I hope you're satisfied. Okay, that's all for today. So homework, color them like a rainbow. Okay, so it's like use rainbow colors for each circles. Let's enjoy that. Okay, let's check next time. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you will be back next time. Bye bye.